to the KOTRA OMNI channel. I'm Michael, and today we're going to be reviewing Aromaville's N2C Nitro Cold Coffee Brew. And what this does is it basically allows you to create your own cold brew coffee at home. And all you need is your cup of coffee and the N2C cold brew package. Every package comes with 10 nitrogen cartridges and your N2C Nitro Cold Brew Coffee lid. In terms of using it, all you have to do is place the lid on top of just your regular cup of coffee and use the nitrogen capsule. It's more frothy, there's more cream, and let's taste it. I noticed that it's not as acidic, and it's very smooth, and it's a great cold brew coffee. And that's how you use the N2C package.